The Cadillac Escalade is more than just a vehicle, it is a symbol of luxury, power, and American ingenuity. Since its debut in 1999, the Escalade has become an icon in the automotive world, representing the pinnacle of full-size luxury SUVs. It is a vehicle that combines bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance, making it a favorite among celebrities, executives, and families alike. The Escalade is not just a mode of transportation, it is a statement, a declaration of success, sophistication, and a desire for the finer things in life. From the moment you lay eyes on the Cadillac Escalade, its commanding presence is undeniable. The exterior design is both bold and elegant, featuring Cadillac's signature grille, sharp lines, and a muscular stance that exudes confidence. The Escalade's size alone makes it stand out on the road, but it's the attention to detail that truly sets it apart. LED lighting, chrome accents, and available 22-inch wheels give the Escalade a polished, high-end look that turns heads wherever it goes. It's a vehicle that demands attention, not just for its size but for its unmistakable aura of luxury. Step inside the Cadillac Escalade, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines what it means to travel in style. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with premium materials such as hand-cut leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. Every surface is meticulously designed to provide both comfort and sophistication. The seats are spacious and plush, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions to ensure that every journey is as relaxing as possible. With 3 rows of seating, the Escalade can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it an ideal choice for families or those who frequently travel with a group. But the Cadillac Escalade is not just about luxury, it's also about technology. The Escalade is packed with advanced features that make driving safer, easier, and more enjoyable. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive OLED curved display, which spans nearly 38 inches diagonally and combines the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and navigation into one seamless interface. This cutting-edge display offers stunning clarity and responsiveness, allowing drivers to access information and control various functions with ease. The Escalade also features a state-of-the-art audio system from AKG, delivering concert-quality sound that envelops passengers in rich, immersive audio. When it comes to performance, the Cadillac Escalade does not disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Escalade offers a driving experience that is both powerful and refined. For those who demand even more performance, the Escalade V takes things to the next level with a supercharged V8 engine that produces a staggering 682 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. The Cadillac Escalade is also designed to handle a variety of driving conditions with ease. Available 4-wheel drive ensures that the Escalade can tackle rough terrain, inclement weather, or challenging road conditions with confidence. The adaptive air suspension system adjusts to provide a smooth ride, whether you're driving on a bumpy dirt road or a sleek city street. The Escalade's towing capacity of up to 8,300 pounds means it can easily haul boats, trailers, or other heavy loads, making it as practical as it is luxurious. Safety is another area where the Cadillac Escalade excels. The vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and keep passengers safe. The Escalade also features night vision, which uses infrared technology to detect pedestrians, animals, or other obstacles in low-light conditions, giving drivers an extra layer of protection. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cadillac Escalade is its ability to adapt to the needs of its driver and passengers. The available Super Cruise system is a hands-free driver assistance feature that allows for semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. This system uses cameras, sensors, and GPS to keep the vehicle centered in its lane, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and even change lanes with the tap of a turn signal. It's a feature that not only enhances convenience but also reduces driver fatigue on long trips. The Cadillac Escalade is also a vehicle that evolves with the times. In recent years, Cadillac has introduced hybrid and diesel versions of the Escalade, offering improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The brand has also embraced the shift toward electrification, with plans to release an all-electric version of the Escalade in the near future. This commitment to innovation ensures that the Escalade remains at the forefront of the automotive industry, meeting the demands of modern drivers while staying true to its roots as a symbol of luxury and power. Beyond its technical specifications and features, the Cadillac Escalade holds a special place in popular culture. It has been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and music videos, often as a symbol of wealth and success. Celebrities and athletes are frequently seen driving Escalades, further cementing its status as a vehicle for the elite. But the Escalade is not just for the rich and famous, it's a vehicle that appeals to anyone who values quality, performance, and style. Owning a Cadillac Escalade is more than just owning a car, it's an experience. It's the feeling of sitting behind the wheel of a vehicle that combines power, luxury, and technology in a way that few others can match. It's the confidence that comes from driving a vehicle that can handle anything the road throws at it. And it's the pride of owning a piece of American automotive history, a vehicle that represents the best of what this country has to offer. In conclusion, the Cadillac Escalade is a true icon in the world of luxury SUVs. It is a vehicle that combines bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance to create an experience that is second to none. Whether you're driving through the city, heading off-road, or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the Escalade delivers a level of comfort, convenience, and style that is unmatched. It is a vehicle that not only meets the needs of modern drivers but exceeds their expectations, making it a worthy investment for anyone who demands the best. The Cadillac Escalade is more than just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the power of innovation, the pursuit of excellence, and the enduring appeal of American luxury.